Alright guys, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about two problems that I already see with the garage gym and that you guys may be dealing with. So the first problem may be the cold. If you live in a cold climate, a cold state, cold country, having a garage gym, if you don't have any insulation or any additional heat sources, it may get really cold in the garage. So I have a solution for you guys today that I'm going to share with you guys. It is the Big Buddy heater, and as you guys can see, I'm in a t-shirt right now, and it is 19 degrees outside, and it is snowing, and has been snowing since yesterday about 4 a.m. So it's very cold outside. I had the heater running for about an hour. I started at about 9:40. Right now it's 10:47. And it feels really comfortable in here. Now it's not extremely hot. It doesn't get really hot. This is a 3-car garage. The doors don't have any insulation. I believe the walls may be insulated. I'm not sure. This is how the walls were when we first arrived at the house. So I'm not sure if the walls are insulated or not. But what I can tell you is that it's a very comfortable temperature right here. So I could work out in shorts and a t-shirt in the middle of a snowstorm, and that says something about the heater. Now, that being said, I do have to be honest with you guys. I do have an electric heater also running, and that may help with the cold as well. If I were to be honest with you guys, the electric heater is not necessary. So if you only have one heater, which is the Big Buddy heater, I think you should be fine. I'll show you guys my setup here in a second. But before I show you guys, the second issue that I'm running into is the lighting. The lighting has been kind of an issue, but I'll show you guys what I'm thinking. I still haven't done anything about it, but I will update you guys on the lighting situation later on when I do get it fixed. But for now, let me show you what we got going on. All right, as you guys see here, I've got the Big Buddy heater right here, and this is where I'm working out. So I have it right next to me. It is a portable heater, so it's really nice if you want to point it in a certain direction, or if you're going to be working out in a specific spot, then you can move it around. It doesn't just stick in one area. Now I do also have it connected to a 20-pound propane tank. I've got the hose and the filter. Supposedly with the right hose, with the Mr. Heater hose, you don't need a filter, but nonetheless I got one just in case. It doesn't hurt anything, so why not use a filter for it? This is an indoor safe heater, which is the reason why I went with it. There's tons of reviews and people saying that it worked well for them and that they've had no issues with it. There's a whole bunch of tests also in terms of carbon monoxide, and nobody's had a problem with carbon monoxide for indoors. Even in small tents, smaller RVs, there's no problem with carbon monoxide. So I would still recommend, if you don't trust it, to get a carbon monoxide detector and put it wherever you are going to put the heater, just to stay safe. But for me personally, I don't smell any carbon monoxide. However, I do smell fumes. And if you Google Big Buddy heater fumes or smell or something like that, you are going to come up with a lot of pretty much inquiries about that. And so a lot of people say it's the gas itself, it's the type of gas, and it's getting really hot here. So I'm going to switch back to where I was. Give me 1 second. There's a lot of people complaining about the fumes or the smell that comes out of the Big Buddy heater, and a lot of people are saying it's actually the propane gas itself from the manufacturer. They put different chemicals in it and whatnot, so that may be a problem. I'll try out a different propane tank next and let you guys know. I'll update you guys on the smell if I still smell something. It's not a very bad or strong smell, and it gets a little better over time. But I've had it for about a week, and it's been on different settings. I've put it on low, I've put it on medium, I've put it on high. The only time I smell those fumes are when the heater is on high. So I'm not sure exactly what that is, what the problem is, but so far I've had no problems with it. You know, it's just a smell. It's nothing that's affecting me. I don't have any headaches. My eyes aren't dry or burning or anything like that. So there's no indication of carbon monoxide in the air. It's just the fumes. So if you could live with that, I think the Big Buddy heater is an amazing heater. It really heats up the garage. This garage, by the way, is let's see here, 30 by 20. So about 600, it's about 650 square feet actually. It's a little bit more than 30 by 20. So 650 square feet. This is rated at 450 square feet. It says it could heat up to 450 square feet, but this is 650 square feet and it heats it up perfectly fine. Now, especially if you're using this for a garage gym and you're just using one area or one bay or something like that, this heater is going to do an amazing job for you. I would run it for maybe 30-40 minutes. Do your warm-up in that time or whatever you need to do. Take your pre-workout, and then once you're done with that, the garage or the area that you're going to be working out in is going to be very, very nice and toasty. And especially when you get your body moving, the blood flowing, you're going to be even warmer. Now, as always, I'll leave the links to all of the stuff that I use, the hose, the filter, and the heater in the description below. There are affiliate links, so it would really be nice if you guys use those. It would help me out and I'd really appreciate it. If not, that's cool. I completely understand. But yeah, I would highly recommend the Big Buddy heater. Let me know if you guys get it. And if you do get it, let me know how you like it, or if you find any other alternatives that work just as fine. Also, let me know in the comment section below. You'll help me out as well as the people who watch this video. Now, in terms of lighting, I'll show you guys what I've got here. Actually, I'll show you guys a quick panoramic of the garage. So here I've got, this is where I work out, squat rack, the deadlift platform. You guys can see the heater right over there. And then there's the Big Buddy heater right there. And then there, so there's the propane tank. Actually it says 15 pounds. I don't know why it says 15 pounds, but anyways. And then this is the rest of the garage. Two bays, and there's no heating anywhere else other than the stuff that I just showed you guys right there. And it's working perfectly fine. So now in terms of lighting, we've got the garage light right there, and then we've got the smart bulb right there, which changes colors, and then I've got one more bulb right up there. So what's cool about these lights is I can change them any color I want. However, what kind of sucks is that corner over there gets really dark because there's no lights in that area. So what I'm gonna do, hopefully, there's an outlet right above the garage. Let's see if I can point at it. Right above there, there's an outlet. So what I want to do is hopefully connect an LED tube right up there, and hopefully that'll solve the lighting situation. Let me go hit a set of deadlifts real quick because I'm getting my blood's getting cold. Let me go hit a set of deadlifts. Give me 1 second. Anyways, guys, that is my solution to the cold weather or any cold area that you're working in or working out in. So the Big Buddy heater, I'd highly recommend it. It's a great investment. It's about $120, $130. I got this one used for $100. Amazing heater, man. Highly recommend it. If you're looking to get a heater, I'll just simply go with this one. Stop wasting time doing research. I'm telling you guys, this is a good heater. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, I would really appreciate it if you guys drop a like. Hit the subscribe button for more videos and more updates on the garage gym. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.